When you think of India's freedom struggle, Kanpur is not one of the first cities that springs to mind, but it is. It was here that key events around India's first battle for independence, the revolt of 1857, took place, and it is also here that almost every revolutionary freedom fighter, from Bhagat Singh to Chandrasekhar Azad, intentionally came while planning their battles against the British. Kanpur, historically called Kaunpur, is a metropolis in the state of Uttar Pradesh in India. The historical significance of Kanpur in the rebellion is shown here with special references to few places, namely Kanpur Memorial Church, Nanarao Park, and other places in Bithur. Nanarao Park or Company Bagh is a public city park in Kanpur, the industrial hub of Uttar Pradesh. The park is located in the central area of Kanpur district and is close to the Phool Bagh LIC building. It was built after the Indian independence in honor of Nana Sahib. Prior to Indian independence, the location was known as Memorial Well and commemorated the massacre of British women and children during the Indian Rebellion of 1857. The Kanpur Memorial Church, originally called the All Souls Church, is an Anglican church in Kanpur, India. It was built in 1857 in the honor of the British who got valor during the siege of Kanpur in 1857. The church was designed by Walter Granville. The complete church in Lombardic Gothic style is attractively executed in bright red brick with polychrome dressings. To the east of the church is the Memorial Garden. It has a handsome carved Gothic screen designed by Heavy Hughes. The interior of the church houses the heartbreaking memorial tables, epigraphs, and monuments that pay a tribute to those soldiers who sacrificed their life for their country. The siege of Kanpur, 5th to 25th June 1857, is said to have started in Bithur, near the premises of Bithur Fort. Nana Sahib was banished to Bithur, after which Bithur Fort became the headquarters for planning the fight against the British. Rani Lakshmi Bai is said to spend her childhood in Bithur. Patthar Ghat, also known as Mahakaleshwar Ghat, is one of the most prominent ghats of Bithur. Bithur is a famous religious center for Hindu pilgrimage. A minister of Awadh state named Tikayat Rai was the person who constructed the ghat in 1814. Dhruv Tila is supposed to be the spot where the child Dhruv is believed to have meditated while standing on one leg. There are also some small temples located on the mound which were built by the Peshwa rulers during the 1800s. The Brahmavarta Ghat, the pilgrimage to worshippers of Lord Brahma, is said to be a center of the whole earth and the place where Brahma started the creation of mankind. Apart from its historical significance of 1857, Bithur also have mention in the Indian epic Ramayana. The site, Valmiki Ashram, is said to be the place where Adikavi Valmiki wrote the Ramayana. It is also believed to the place where Sita lived in her exile and gave birth to Rama's twins, Love and Kush. According to the Indian National Trust of Art, Culture and Heritage, there is a long list of over 250 heritage sites in Kanpur, but not all are known by people, and those who are, they are not in a proper condition. And the reason behind this are negligence and lack of awareness among the people about their heritage. Kanpur, a city famous for its dirt and pollution, thus, pollution itself bears a great threat to the heritage sites. There is a lack of proper management by the concerned authority and their negligence, and there is also a lack of proper transport facilities that makes it difficult for tourists to reach out these sites. There are numerous challenges that these heritage sites and their belief have to face in the present scenario that needs serious attention and have to be overcome as early as possible so that our heritage no more cries for its need and preservance.